It's time to blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Okay, now, I know this is going to sound silly, but I just say that. Okay, now, he has no taste when it comes to clothes or decorating. I mean, it's awful, and I want to look pretty too. You know, I want to look good. We'll say good, that, you know, whatever. And here's an example. Now, this is from high school. Terrible. This is his first ex-girlfriend, which, that was college. Oh, his ex-wife bought him this underwear, and, well now this is pretty. Look at that. Well, that was Sniffles, and he comes out maybe once a year, and it's to score chicks.